Hey there, I'm Aya from Ayomatics, and I'm going to be your guide to understanding everything under the hood. Today we're going to be looking at 7 myths about car repairs that need to be debunked. So stay with me. Myth number 1. The dealership is the only place that you can get quality repairs. This is 2025, guys. Apart from the dealerships which offer very good and quality repairs, there are other independent automobile companies around the place that will equally offer you quality repairs, sometimes even better than what you will get at the dealership. But your friend has convinced you that if you are not carrying your car to the dealership, you will not get good repairs. Anyway, if you have the money, oh well and good. But I'm here to tell you that is a myth that should have been dropped years ago. In 2025, there are so many independent bodies out there that can fix your car and fix it well. Myth number 2. If it's not broken, don't fix it. This does not apply to your car. This does not apply to your car. There are people that will tell you, "Oga, e still dey work, no worry, no go mechanic workshop." Hey. See, preventive maintenance on cars is cheaper than fixing a problem. So you say the car is not faulty and there's nothing I'm going to do about it. Please, this 2025, make regular preventive maintenance, make diagnosis your best friend. So whether your car has a problem or not, whether you are seeing signs or not, whether you are seeing symptoms of any issues or not, visit your mechanic at least every quarter. Go there and let them do a thorough check on your car. I'm not saying this because I am a mechanic. I am also speaking from the side of a car owner. Visit your technician maybe 4 times in a year is fine. Every quarter is fine. Let them run diagnosis for you. This will help you to figure out if there are any issues that are about to start or any issues that are already happening but are not showing signs yet, and you can easily tackle these things before they become full-blown. So the myth that says if it's not broken, don't fix it, does not apply to your car. Do not try it. Myth number 3. Bigger tires equals to better performance. I laugh in you're spending more money on your fuel. So in case you did not realize, the bigger your tires, the more fuel you are going to burn. Why? Because the bigger tires are an added load on the car. And the one thing that's going to be dragging this extra load is your engine. The more load, the more fuel you are going to burn. So when you decide to go and carry off-road tires, you are not driving a car that is going to the mountain. You are not planning on doing mountain climbing with your car. You are not planning on entering swamp with your car. But you looked at those tires because they are big, they are fine. You went to buy big tires. Repent 2025. Apart from that, some of these tires, when you're on the road, they make noise. And you will start looking for what did not lost in your car. Because you will be visiting your mechanic every market day and you will be asking them to look for what is making noise. Whereas, it is just the tires that you used your money and your hand to go and buy. So, bigger tires do not equal to better performance. So, look for the correct size of tires for your car and put them there. Don't do follow and follow bad gang and go and buy big tires that will put you in wahala. Okay? Myth number 4. You can use water instead of coolant. I laugh in rust. Your engine is laughing in rust because water is cheap, because your neighbor has been using one brand of car since 1985 and they've been using water and there was no issue. You are using newer models of cars now. Water is not acceptable. Even if your doctor is shouting, drink water. We all know the doctor that shouts, drink water online. Even if he is shouting, drink water, he did not say your car should drink water. Your car does not drink water. Your car drinks coolant. Your car drinks coolant. There is a reason why the manufacturer will put a car out on the market with coolant and not water. That is because your coolant is not only helping to take away heat from the engine, it's helping to prevent rust or corrosion buildup, it's helping to clean the internal parts of your engine, because it also carries some amount of detergent in it that makes sure everything is clean. This is why cars that use coolant, whenever you open up the engine or any part of it, you find that it is super clean. So repent today. Water will evaporate. Coolant has a very, very high boiling point and a very, very low freezing point. Repent, change that water to coolant today. Myth number 5. This one is affecting everybody. Tokumbo parts are better than brand new parts. If you are still doing this in 2025, you need to be taken to the front of a river where we will wash your head, wash your body, wash everything for you. Because why would you say Tokumbo parts are better than brand new original parts in 2025? Your Tokumbo part is a part that has been removed from a car. That car has used it for a number of years. It has used some life out of the parts and is being brought to you and now fixed on your car, and you are claiming it is better than you buying a brand new original part. Please, this myth is false. That's why I say myth is false. Please, in 2025, invest in original parts. They will last you a lifetime. They will last longer and you would have peace of mind. There are people that fix Tokumbo parts and they are changing that part every 5 days. So please do not believe in this myth. It is wrong. Okay? Myth number 6. Your car will never remain the same if you change your engine or your transmission. So your friend has told you, "Oga, don't change that engine, or better just sell the car like that." If you change the engine, you can never enjoy the car again. That is a big lie. There are engines and there are engines. So it depends on who is changing your engine for you, or who is even changing your transmission for you. Whoever it is that's doing it should be able to give you a good job. So it is a big lie that whenever you change your engine or your transmission, the car can never remain the same. There are so many cars on the road that you will buy and you even think you are buying Tokumbo. And there are so many dealers that will change the engine and give you as a Tokumbo car, and you will think you are buying a Tokumbo car because the engine that was put there is sound. So it is a big lie. If anybody has ever told you that changing your engine or your transmission will never allow your car remain the same. Myth number 7, which is where we're going to be stopping for today. Your tire pressure should match the number on your tire. You are playing with tire explosion. You are doing what? You are playing with tire explosion. Whoever told you, whichever vulcanizer told you that your tire pressure should be the same with the number on your tire. You saw people that have tires that say 55 psi. And then you are pumping 55 psi in your tire and you will still drive that car. Maybe you don't realize that whenever you drive and your tires get hot, the pressure in those tires will expand. So you put 55 psi when it was cold, you drive, before you know it, you have 70 psi in your tires. Before you know it, wow, tire has exploded. This is 2025. It is not true. The right specification of pressure for your tire is stated on your driver's door pillar. Go and check it there, or open your owner's manual and check it. That pressure you are seeing on your tire is the maximum pressure. What did I say? Maximum pressure. Meaning that your tire should not take anything more than that pressure. If it says 55, the maximum pressure that your tire can take is 55. You have driven your car from Ikeja to Banana Island, you don't enter 70. You are playing with tire explosion. Okay? This is 2025. If any of these myths applies to you, repent and change your ways. Bye guys. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We're at iomatics_limited. And if you enjoyed this video, share it to your neighbor. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And also click the subscribe button. Bye.